How to use the marker adapter for the Juliet high definition cutter by Siser. Every Juliet comes standard with a marker adapter that is specially designed to fit Siser Sublimation Markers. To use this marker adapter, simply uncap your sublimation marker and place it into the adapter. You will now load your marker plus adapter into the tool housing and tighten it by turning the pin clockwise. Once you have the marker plus adapter loaded on the machine, use the Easy Weed cut setting or create a custom cut setting from the Cut Settings menu. Watch as the Juliet creates beautiful works of art using your new Siser marker adapter.